Welcome! Today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into Oppo A15S. First of all, open your Google application. If you don't have this application into your phone, you need to download from Play Store and go into. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Click it and choose Settings. Then choose Voice. Here we got Hey Google Blog, so click to Voice Match option. And now click here on the switcher to activate Hey Google. Now need to give access to your assistant, click Next, agree to voice match. I agree. And now you can see Hey Google option is ready to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.